You know why this water's so warm, right guys?
I just kidding, dude.
In halfway. It's just so it's not taunt.
That's why I said go this way.
Steve, just grab the top, walk yourself backwards.
I got your balance. Straighten yourself out.
Yeah, there you go. Yep, exactly. Ow! Yeah, wild.
Here you go.
Just pull yourself backwards.
Good fucking thinking.
Right? Done this before. Look how long it takes you to do that. There you go, keep walking it. There you go, keep going, keep going. Keep your legs straight, just keep going. You got it, you're almost there, keep going. Switch ropes, grab the one under you, it's gonna be easier. There you go. Now float, just float. There you go, pull. Oh, who brought this guy? There you go, pull. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Soak that dude.
Yeah, baby.
Hey, we're big, get away. I'm a kindergartner right now.
Oh, it's so much fun.
Yeah! Keep it warm.
Baby.
I thought we were out here playing frisbee golf.
Hell yeah.
I don't know, but there's the hole.
I signed up for the brothel. Who's that?
This is the hardest obstacle yet.
What, just the run?
Just that.
Oh. I'm looking around for like... A what?
Remember your fork last year?
Oh yeah. Look at all the water coming out.
Why is it so muddy?
It's very muddy. I'm starting to get that shit. Oh, my shin just got tight.